Two things that I want to share with you right now to help you move forward with your mental capacity. Number one is where you're operating from. If you are moving into a trade and you feel fearful about losing your money, if you are looking at the market and you're not sure when to buy and you're in a state of panic, or you feel triggered by an emotion that someone's saying, hey, you should buy right now, and you think, oh, I don't want to miss out on this opportunity, so I'm going to make an investment decision. All of these emotional energies, when attached to your money that you're sending out to the market, think of it in that way. You're literally sending out that emotion, and that's what you're going to draw back in. So I really invite all of you to take the time to think through, am I investing through a place of abundance? Do I know that I've done everything that I can within my control to make a powerful decision right now? Or is it from a place of lack? Think of this, a positive can never equal a negative. So you want to know that you're positively charging yourself, positively fulfilling yourself to make those incredible investment decisions. If you're feeling not good, then you need to shift that really, really quickly. So some things that you can do to help shift that. Number one, this is an absolute must. You must have a morning routine. If you roll out of bed and you fall into work and you go on and do your day and you haven't set yourself up from a place of creation, then you're setting yourself up for failure. So what I really want to say to everyone is get up early. If you don't have time, get up early. Or if you do have time, still get up early anyway. Starting your day, 5 a.m., 4:30, whatever time it is for you. If it's 6 right now, make it 5:30. And then you can move it from 5:30 to 5 once you've realized that it's actually the best thing that you've ever done in your life. For me, I would attribute 90% of my success to having a powerful morning routine because I start every single day from a place of creation rather than reaction. So think of this, you get up at 5 a.m., you jump out, you exercise straight away, you go to the gym, go for a run, you get motion in your body, you start to cleanse your mind. Movement will help purify your mind. It helps you to have good thoughts because it starts to release endorphins and stuff into your brain. And that helps you to think better and feel good about yourself. You make great decisions when you feel good about yourself. Then I'd be looking at your intentions for the day. What do you want to achieve out your day? What do you want to give? What do you want to do? What does that really look like? What are your goals? Why are you doing what you're doing? Think about your why, your drivers, your results. Fill yourself with this. It can be the intentions. You can meditate, you can pray, whatever it is, but have this. Have a really nutritious breakfast. Start your day in the right way. Go and tell your partner, whoever it is, that you love them, or tell yourself, look in the mirror and tell yourself that you love you. Whatever it is that's helping you to fill yourself up so that when you step into your day, you're doing it from a great way. Then if you go on to invest straight after this and you make some investment decisions in the morning or you do your research, which I highly recommend, do the most important things first, then you're operating from this place of attraction. Think of yourself like a giant magnet. However you're operating from the inside, that's only going to be attracted to you. Everything starts with us and how we feel rather than what's going on around us. I also like to think about being in control of me and my mental state and energy. I never fall hostage to habits that I have. And if I have created a bad habit, I want to figure out a way of shifting it really quickly. So think of this, if you're eating really poor quality food, that's going to get digested throughout your body. Your gut's going to have to work harder. It's going to be attached to your red blood cells. It's going to move around your muscles. You're going to feel lethargic. You can't make great decisions if you feel lethargic. So fuel yourself in a really great way. But outside of that, also think about fasting. When you stop eating, which we don't often do, it's like going to the gym every single day. If you don't give your body time to rest, then you can't recover. It's the same for your gut. Your gut needs time to recover. Your gut is heavily linked to your brain. And if you have really good gut health, you're going to think clearer, you're going to make better decisions. It's all it comes down to. If you're operating from a place of fear and scarcity and all of these mismatched emotions, then you're not cleansed within yourself. So you need to purify yourself first, and that will be exploded out into everything around you. It's vibrational energy, you might say, whatever you want to call it for yourself. But if you're feeling good, you attract good. It's as simple as that. If you feel bad, then you're going to make bad decisions. You're going to attract that to yourself. Number 2 here is have a logbook. A logbook is such an important thing to do. What do I mean by this? Before you make any investment decision, whether that's a buy or sell, you want to have a set number of questions that you go through and create and write out. Number 1, how do I feel? If you feel bad right now, don't make your investment decision. Go for a walk around the block, come back, feel refreshed, and then you'll make a better decision. Number 2, where are you operating from in terms of the decision itself? Is it a reactional decision? Is it an emotional decision? Is it one that's been well researched and you've done everything that you need to make the right decision and you feel good about that? Number 3, have you done the research? If you haven't done the research, don't make the investment decision. It's as simple as that. Do the work, get the clarity, get all the numbers, the data that you need, and then move forward. You don't need endless amounts of research. You don't want to get paralyzed by overanalyzing, which often people do. It's a procrastination tool. They say, oh, I need to do more research. You need to tick the things that you need to tick, and then you need to go and make a decision off of that. If you feel misaligned to the research that you have done, then again, step away. The great thing about being a retail investor is that you don't need to trade. You don't have to trade every single time, but if you're a business that's generating money for clients, then you're forced to trade, because if you don't trade, you don't make money. So use that to help you through on your journey. So a quick recap, have your morning routines, build out your bulletproof mindset, check in with yourself during the day. How do I feel? I have a reminder on my phone that comes off, what do I want and how do I feel? Or what do I want and change my state, it really says. So I focus on what is it that I want out of my life? What am I focused towards? What am I doing right now to help me step towards the outcome that I want to achieve? And how can I change the way that I feel right now? I can jump up and down, I can play some music, go for a walk, whatever it is, but change the way that you feel. And number 2 is have a logbook. You must document before you buy and sell every single time. And if you feel that that's too much, then you're trading too much. You shouldn't be making lots of investment decisions, but better quality ones, and mapping that out and doing the research. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you next week.